When it comes to ChatGPT, it's important to verify your facts. In this video, I'm going to show you an example. So in this example, I asked ChatGPT, give me a list of the beaten places to explore in Singapore. Sure, here are some of the beaten places to explore in Singapore. Tiong Bahru, Pulau Ubin, Kampong Glam, Bukit Timah Nature Reserve, Sungai Buloh Wetland Reserve, Kranji Wharf Memorial, and on the last one, number 8, Pulau Tekong. So the list is generally good, but the last one, Pulau Tekong, it's not a place that's accessible to public. A quick Google search, and I'm just going to click here on the Smart Local, which is a media outlet. There is a post here, Pulau Tekong, former trading island turned into a weekday getaway for all Singaporean sons. Basically, Pulau Tekong is an island used to train for the military, mostly for basic military training in Singapore. So that's why it's not accessible to the public and access to it is restricted. So back to ChatGPT here, even if it is wrong, it can continue to give you wrong information. I asked it to write a guide on exploring Pulau Tekong, and it gave me a very brief guide how to get there, what to do, what to bring, and tips, as if it's a place that you can actually go for a nature walk. And I continue further, write me a blog post on this. Sure, Pulau Tekong is a hidden gem. The easiest way to get there, once you arrive on the island, be sure to bring plenty of water. It's important to know that Pulau Tekong is a military training area, so be sure to follow any poster signs. It's also a good idea to bring cash as there are no ATMs on the island. Overall, Pulau Tekong is a great destination for those looking to escape the crowds and experience the natural beauty of Singapore. Whether you're going to hike through the Lens Forest or to relax on the beach or just enjoy the peaceful atmosphere, Pulau Tekong has something for everyone. Wrong. Wrong. Pulau Tekong has not anything for anyone except the military. Or if you are sending off, as this article says, how to visit Pulau Tekong, unless you have a boyfriend or a son or a brother who is about to enlist in the army, your odds of visiting Pulau Tekong are slim to none. That's it. Thanks for watching. If you want more ChatGPT stuff, click the video here.